everyone, it's me, Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this DIY / ideas for a self-care relaxing night, because sometimes it's just nice to take time for yourself, and because when you get really busy and stressed it can be hard to do, but it's just a nice thing to do. And I'm just going to be giving you guys some ideas and taking you along with me on my self-care relaxing night thing. I don't even know what to call it, but yeah, that's what's going on. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get started with this. Alright guys, let's get started. So first thing on my list is I'm going to be just pampering yourself and spending time just treating yourself. So you can do a face mask, paint your nails, whatever you want to do. I'm going to be painting my nails, and so I have these OPI nail polishes or whatever. I think I'm going to be doing this pink color right here, and I just never have enough time to paint my nails, but I really do like doing it because it just bothers me kind of when they're not painted. And then if you're bored in class, you can always pick out your nail polish. That was weird. We're done with that. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, and it's just nice to treat yourself and take time for yourself sometimes. So now that I finished painting my nails, they look just fabulous. I'm going to be taking a bath because I literally never take baths, but they're just really nice and relaxing. And once again, just the relaxing, loving yourself, taking time for yourself theme for tonight. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Well, that was relaxing. So, as you saw in those last clips, the next thing that I'm doing is I'm making myself a hot drink, and I'll either have peppermint tea, or I'll have this. It's just lemon juice and honey. It tastes super good and adds to the just self-care, loving yourself routine. Now that I have my drink made, I'm going to be reading a little bit, because reading is just a great way to relax, take time for yourself, and just do something that you want to do by yourself, especially if you have a good book. This book by April Henry called The Body in the Woods, and it is seriously so good. It's like a mystery, and I really like it, and I also need to finish it by tomorrow for this book project I have to do for English, so I'm going to be reading this. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked this, and I will see you in my next video.